This guide will help you quickly address high ping issues while installing Baldur's Gate 3. Follow these steps to optimize your connection and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. You can do this by running a speed test to determine your current download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Before starting the installation, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up bandwidth and resources, helping to improve your connection stability. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If possible, switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections typically offer lower latency and more stable speeds compared to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to faster server such as Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. This can help reduce ping and improve overall connection quality. Step 5. Restart your router. If you are still experiencing high ping, restart your router. Unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve any temporary issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping and enjoy a smoother installation and gaming experience.